How to check Airbnb cleaning fees. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to check Airbnb cleaning fees. Now to check the cleaning fees for on Airbnb, you could go to a specific listing and look for a price breakdown, which is often shown by default or can be accessed by clicking on the total price as well. So the total cost displayed will include the cleaning fee and other charges before you complete the booking. Now for host, you would cleaning fees are managed under price settings in the calendar view, then fees as described. So what you want to do is when you go ahead and open the app on your device, when you are on the listing section or the page, the total price is often displayed automatically. For example, I'm going to select this place, right? So I need to click on reserve, and here if I go ahead and add in the details, all that stuff at the bottom, you could go ahead and tap on the next and you could find the payment section, right? So if you go ahead and break it down over here, you could see what this place offers and what are the fees charged for. So basically you go ahead and look for it to check before booking, and all the including fees are listed. You could also access the price settings by going to the Airbnb and then clicking the calendar and select the listing on the edit as well. You could also locate the fee settings, or you could also edit the cleaning fee. You'll need to see the option for that, and this way you should be able to check the Airbnb cleaning fees. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.